you guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, K Marie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this hairstyle that I'm wearing right now. And believe it or not, this is a closure wig. Yes, I took it back to old school, and I love me some closure wigs. They are super easy, super convenient, and you don't have to worry about making sure that every part of your edges are laid. So this is my go-to style when I just want something quick to wear, and boom, it's done. So stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Alright, so I'm going to start with my hair kind of like in two braids basically, and I have this net cap over top of it, this mesh cap over top of it. I personally like to pull back a little bit and let my edges out a tiny bit, because I do work with my edges when I put the wig on. As you can see, I have like no forehead space at all. My forehead is very, very small. I think I have like a 3 head actually. Yeah, like I got a 3 head, and I have a widow's peak, which is kind of difficult for me to try and style wigs with, just because I always feel like my widow's peak is always out. But we're gonna figure out how to get around that. That's another thing that I personally always have to keep in mind whenever I wear wigs, and especially frontals. But today we're gonna be working with a closure wig, so I'll show you guys how I slay this. I'm gonna take my got to be glued. Actually, I'm going to put my wig on first. So I'm going to take my wig and I'm going to put that on first. I have a closure wig that I made. It's a 4x4 part, so very traditional. I did sew in an elastic band, and my elastic band starts from the edges of my closure. That way I don't really have to use adhesive to hold it down. That's one of the beauties about closure wigs in general. You can switch it up. They're so easy to apply, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. And I decided to do a side part, so I'm just going to tilt my wig because I have a widow's peak. I like a middle part, but because I have a widow's peak, it does not always blend very well, or it doesn't look right to me when I do a middle part on a closure wig, just because my widow's peak is like always sticking out. So I'm just gonna do a side part, and I haven't really done anything to this hair. This hair is in its natural state. I can't remember exactly what the original lengths were. I think I had 3 bundles of 18-inch, but I eventually cut the hair. I've had this hair for a while now, so please forgive me. But this hair is from Perstar Hair. It's the Brazilian natural wave. I do know that. And then when I do remember all of the information about the hair specs, I'll put that in the description box down below for you guys. But yeah, anyways, I'm just figuring out how I want the placement of my wig to be on my head. I think I got it. And now I'm going to pull my wig back and take my got to be glued blasting free spray. And I'm just going to put some around my hairline. I don't put too much. Actually, this is my first time trying it this way. I watched a video by Ashley Devana, and her hairstylist used this method, and it was pretty awesome. So I'm just going to bring my closure back up and sit it right on top of where I sprayed. Alright, and then I'm going to comb my hairs back. And I'm going going to use the freeze spray one more time just on my edges, just so that I can have something to style my edges with. Alright, so I have already created some baby hairs on this unit because I've worn this unit before. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull those out. I usually would use a rat tail comb, but I can't find mine, so I'm just gonna use this comb for now. So I'm just gonna pull out the baby hairs that I already made. So I'm just gonna fix my parting a little bit, get it to how I want it. And you guys, I'm not a pro with this. I am not a pro. But my freeze spray has, I'm just gonna put a little bit of freeze spray on my finger and kind of dab it on to my baby hairs. And then I'm going to take my edge brush and just do some swoops. I don't like to go too crazy on the baby hairs. This is my personal preference. And it definitely takes practice because I'm not really that good at baby hairs, to be honest. Like, it takes me like 10 tries just to get it. This is my widow's peak here, and some of the hair from the wig. So I'm just gonna try my best to blend that in. Okay. Alright, there we go. As you can see, this wig is not going anywhere. Of course, like, if you are gonna be doing a lot of activity, strenuous activity, I would actually secure it down, maybe with some bobby pins. But I feel like the elastic band actually holds the wig down in place pretty well. I have also used a wig cap, or not a wig cap, I have actually used a wig grip with this hair. I will say I actually like the wig grips, but with the wig grip plus the elastic band, it kind of gives me a headache sometimes. Maybe it's just that I have it too tight, but yeah, that's my 2 cents on that. Next, I am going to flat iron this hair. Actually, I think I want to cut this in layers. final look. I'm all done with my closure wig. I decided to just straighten this hair. I did add some layers, or a layer, to kind of just frame my face at the front. This is how it's looking. I love it. Oh, and by the way, I also did bleach. Well, the knots actually on this unit are not bleached at all. I actually went in with some foundation that was my color, and I just did my parting area just so that it would match my skin tone a little bit better and blend seamlessly. I actually love this hair a lot. This hair I've been wearing for quite a while now. I got this from Perstar Hair. I got a closure in 3 bundles. Again, I'll link all of that information in the description box below. This hair is very, very pretty. It's nice and thick. There's a nice thick texture to it. Again, I have the Brazilian body wave, or no, Brazilian natural wave. So this hair does straighten pretty well. And I have tried to put curls in it before, and it actually holds a curl pretty well as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this little quick tutorial. But thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle that I'm wearing. Is anyone still wearing closures, and what do you prefer, closures or frontals? Let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.